Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to make a first available booking. The first available booking provides the earliest open time slot with the first available practitioner. It enables you to swiftly schedule an appointment at the next available time, ensuring prompt access to medical care. By choosing this option, you can simplify the appointment process by avoiding the need to search through multiple dates and times. This feature is especially beneficial for urgent consultations or if you have a flexible schedule and can attend the earliest opportunity. In this video, we will start on the first available booking screen. Please note that in order to navigate to this screen, you can click on the booking link or button provided on the practitioner's website. Select the relevant booking type by clicking on a booking type drop-down menu and make your selection. Next, click on the booking button, which contains the earliest time and date. The Make a Booking screen will open. From here, you can log into the MyGC account or simply create a new one by clicking on the Register button. To learn more in regards to logging in, please refer to both the login and how to create a new account whilst making a booking user manuals linked in this video's description. Once you have logged in or registered a new account and filled in the necessary information, a booking confirmation will display.